Imagine cutting your journey to Mars in half. What if I told you that a game-changing technology could do just that? Welcome to the world of nuclear thermal propulsion, the future of space travel. Stick around, because this could change everything we know about exploring deep space. So, what is nuclear thermal propulsion? NTP. At its core, NTP is a propulsion system that uses nuclear reactions to generate thrust. Instead of relying on traditional chemical rockets, which burn fuel to create thrust, NTP systems work by using nuclear reactors to heat a propellant, usually hydrogen, to extremely high temperatures. This superheated hydrogen expands rapidly and is then expelled through a nozzle, creating the thrust needed to push the spacecraft forward. In this process, the fuel itself doesn't burn or explode. Instead, it's heated in a controlled way, which results in far greater efficiency compared to conventional rocket engines. But why is this so important? Nuclear thermal propulsion offers significantly higher efficiency than chemical rockets. When we talk about efficiency in space, we're talking about specific impulse, a measurement of how much thrust is produced per unit of fuel. NTP can provide twice the specific impulse of chemical rockets, meaning spacecraft can travel farther and faster with less fuel. Now let's put that into perspective. Current missions to Mars using chemical rockets take around 6 to 9 months. That's a long time to keep astronauts healthy, supply them with food and water, and ensure their spacecraft doesn't get damaged. But with NTP, we could cut that time down by several months, making the mission much more feasible. In fact, using NTP, a journey to Mars could take just around 6 months, rather than almost a full year. This reduction in travel time is crucial for both human safety and the overall success of the mission. The quicker we can get there, the less risk we face from things like radiation exposure, food shortages, and equipment malfunctions. And it's not just about Mars. NTP could also enable us to explore deeper into the solar system, to places like Jupiter's moons or distant asteroids. With faster travel times, we could send probes, landers, and crewed missions much farther than we ever could with current technology. Not only could NTP cut down travel time, but it could also allow us to carry heavier payloads. Since NTP is more efficient, we can carry more equipment, supplies, and crew members on long-duration missions. This could open the door for sustained human presence on Mars and even help set up the infrastructure needed for a future colony. Think about it. More research equipment, more tools for building habitats, and enough fuel to sustain the journey and operations on the surface. All of that could be made possible with NTP, which gives us the capacity to not only travel faster, but carry the resources we need for success. Now you might be wondering, how close are we to seeing NTP in action? Well, NASA has been working on this for years, with its nuclear thermal rocket program being a prime example of how this technology is coming to life. The next step is testing the reactors and refining the systems that will power future spacecraft. The goal is to test the technology in space, where it can be used to send both cargo and crew on interplanetary journeys. And as we continue to develop nuclear propulsion technologies, the potential for deep space exploration becomes more achievable than ever before. So, what's the bottom line? Nuclear thermal propulsion offers us the ability to travel faster, carry more, and reduce the risks associated with long-duration space travel. It could be the key to unlocking the next era of space exploration, enabling us to reach Mars, the outer planets, and even beyond. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, NTP is shaping up to be one of the most important technologies in the future of human space travel. The road to Mars, and perhaps even the stars, could be just a little bit closer thanks to this innovative propulsion system. Thanks for watching. If you are excited about the future of space exploration and the technologies that will make it possible, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights into the cutting-edge innovations that will shape our journey into the cosmos.